guys, Karen here from Financial Elegance JA. I just wanted to check in. Wanted to do a little vlog style today. Let me fix my necklace. Wanted to do a little vlog style for you guys today. As you can see, I'm on the road. My mask. Just came from my doctor's appointment to do a regular checkup. Your girl's fine. Just need to I'm just admit it. We just need to work out. So on the road, I want to check in with you guys. I'm in Mandeville Town right now. So I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my office. I'm also going to share with you guys a little bit of the at-home projects that we have going in terms of doing backyard farming and also the animals that we rear, all of that stuff. So you're gonna get to see all of the pets, the wildness, and of course be on the outside with me. All right guys, so I will check in with you once we are back home. Hey guys, all right, so I'm back home. Not really tired. For the rest of the day, I have some household stuff that I'm gonna take care of. Aside from that, I do have a meeting today at 5. There is some exciting stuff coming for Financial Elegance JA, so ensure that you are following Financial Elegance JA on Instagram. They will be linked in the video and also in the description box. So I'm gonna be dropping a little teaser there as to what you can expect coming up. So stay tuned to see what that's all about. And guys, I really want to know what you would like to know as it relates to business. In that regard, just comment down below any other business topics, financial topics that you would like me to do a video on. Thanks for staying with me, and we're gonna show a little bit more of what happens on the back end. Okay guys, so it's time to show you a little bit of the agricultural side of living in Manchester. Okay, so I thought it was important to share this with you guys because with COVID-19, a lot of people being home and the financial situation or impact that it's had on everyone globally, for a long time our agricultural minister has said, you know, eat what you grow what you eat. So now that has become not a recommendation or a push, but it has to become a lifestyle choice now. So I'm going to share with you the chickens, and all of them named Houdini, the Houdini unit, because them always are trying to escape out of the chicken coop. Okay, Andrew, so we're going in the chicken coop.
These are the Houdinis.
The Houdini unit.
They're all Houdinis because they all escape.
Talk truth, man. Alright, so how much egg? We get 2 eggs. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna wash them off, put them up, and we're gonna pop some water grass and feed them. So stay tuned. So this is the water grass. So we feed them water grass, cracked corn, and they do also get regular chicken feeding. So this is where they have their water. That's where they get their feeding and cracked corn. A good tip, guys, they need to have these bars because they like to jump and fly around. That's where they feel most comfortable, and that's where they sleep as well. So this is a little unit. It's actually a large apartment. This is just one section for the layer chickens. I'll quickly show you guys the other side. We actually have 4 regular chickens that are gonna be killed today. I don't know if I have the heart to show you guys that. No, ma? Okay. Not gonna show you guys that. Excuse me, sir, madam, excuse. Yes guys, so this is the first apartment for our chickens. Right here is where we keep the regular fowls that we raise. There's 4 left. The mommy, how old am I reach?
For about 7.5 weeks.
7.5 weeks. So we had a whole lot more because those were killed and sold. Whatever we leave back for last kill, that's what we have at home. So we don't buy chicken, we don't buy egg, we're being self-sufficient here. Guys, comment down below if you'd like to know more about at-home farming. There's a gardening aspect as well.
Okay,
so these are sweet potatoes.
Plant about 3 weeks now.
These are 3 weeks old. So everything coming down the line is sweet potato. All right, and what else we have?
This is Irish potato going up.
Okay.
It's a different method of growing Irish potato. Just put on they grow up. You keep adding compost, and it.
Oh, for it to break down.
Right. This is the tomato. That is the lychee. Sweet cassava.
Sweet cassava. There and there. We have the banana tree,
Pears.
ackee tree. We have whole heap of pear tree about the place. Okay. So
This
we
is
have
a,
pineapples,
Sweet pepper.
sweet pepper.
Pineapples. All the pineapples.
These are
Papaya.
the papaya. And this tree is what again, mommy?
Soursop.
This is a soursop tree.
You see a coconut. This is lemon.
Alright, so we have a lemon tree right here.
Mandarin. Planting, you have planting too.
Mandarin. What the planting?
No planting not on it. Planting is
The
there.
planting tree. This one?
Mandarin tree. You can go down to show one with banana. You see banana?
Guys, this is the water grass that we pull to feed the chickens. So as we pull out, we're actually doing a lot of at-home landscaping projects, so it's very beneficial. So we have some green banana there. So guys, may I tell you, when you do everything at home, you know, say you eat healthier because you know what you're eating. You're saving money out of your pocket.
Mango, cocoa.
And we also have a mango tree that's blooming. This is just one of them, and we have cocoa right here in this section. But this is just one plot that's being gardened. There's actually multiple other areas. Okay guys, so we do also have a few things in pots. So we actually have 3 mango plants in pots. So one here, another one. Oh, the first one was East Indian. This one is Julie. And then this last one here is another Julie. Okay guys, this is a little pond. It has a whole bunch of fish in there. There's turtles as well, so they also get water grass, lettuce, bread, and a whole bunch of stuff. I know it looks mucky. That is my fault. When I was younger, I didn't feel like I just throw dirt and a bag of things in there. So this is a big gardening bed. So how you go about composting? What method did you use to develop this section?
Leaves, grass cuttings, food from the house, food, skins and stuff from the house.
Okay.
From the kitchen.
Alright, so I saw before that you were doing a layering. What were you layering to
lay
build
it
it
with the
up?
cardboard first, and then put on the grass and the manure, the leaves.
Okay, so you use some of the chicken manure in here.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so why is this method better than the rest?
Not that it's better, it's easy for you to manage. Not a lot of weeds coming out. And I plan to plant Irish potato in there. And then as you can see, the pumpkins growing on top.
Right, the pumpkin is flourishing. All right, so let's start with what's in each of these potted plants.
Pop choy,
Pop choy,
peppers,
peppers,
cucumber,
cucumbers.
thyme. The thyme look like it dying. So I always have a problem with my thyme. This is turmeric.
Ooh.
Turmeric. Scallion. Nothing here now. Cucumber. Onion. Garlic.
So,
Onion and garlic.
yeah. So guys, if you have any of these season labels, it's good. If you don't know them by their leaves, this is a good way to identify them. Or you can make your own labels as well. So this is the second section of homegrown plants. The last section is around another side, and that's where we have the melon that is flourishing. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna show you the last section that we have planted currently. There's gonna be a lot more. We have other areas that we are going to build up as well, so I can have more outdoor filming areas for you guys, because I think it really helps to set a certain ambiance. And I don't know, I really believe that the environment helps in terms of when you're learning and you're trying to receive. These that you're seeing right there is fever grass. They're good for a lot of things. I will drop a link down below of where you can go and read more about that. This is a lime tree. It still bears. It's been there for a really long time. So yes guys, you just spread out the cardboard, you put all of your leaves on top of it, and not only does it help with weeds and reduces the amount of actual groundwork that you have to do once you start planting, it also helps in terms of like the grass, because as you can tell, the grass grows very fast, and right now it rains every couple of days, so it will spring up. This is how you can actually help to control that. So this is the melon. Sugar baby melons. This one is running real nice. Soon bear guys, it soon bear. As soon as it bear, of course, I'll shoot another video to show you what it looks like. A lot of greenery, a lot of greenery. We have another pear tree right there, and there's another one right behind there. And that heap that you're seeing, we're doing the same composting method as well. So once we cut the grass, we nip it on top of each other and layer cardboard in between it and some zinc as well to weigh it down. As it breaks down, then we'll throw it in the compost and in and around the actual garden plants. You won't be able to see it from here, but there is also a coconut tree, a dwarf one, not the super tall one, because ain't nobody climbing that. Let me get up closer for you. This is actually a guava tree that's growing, spring up there by itself. And that is a palm tree. We have a few of those that are springing up, but yes, this is the coconut tree. My father planted it before he died. So yes, right here we used to have a bunch of orange trees, tangerine, grapefruit tree, but over time those died. So we had a mint bush there. It's going to grow back, and weeds and stuff overtook it, so it kind of was suppressed, but it's springing back up now. You just walk down here. Imagine when I was in high school and I was leaving out, I would walk down here in the mornings. I would pick a few leaves and I would just rest it underneath my tongue, and I would get that nice minty fresh taste. Remember, it's in the morning, so morning dew, wash it off. Morning dew good for you, by the way. morning dew. All right, so this is another pear tree here, another pear tree there as well, two of them, and in the middle, smack dab in the middle of them, there is an apple tree that's growing. Oh guys, you see the butterflies? Butterflies are so scarce. Jamaica used to have so many butterflies. Now it's ridiculous how scarce they are. Farm tour. We have dog, we have cats, we have chicken, we have puppy, we have me. Okay guys, so this is the office tour that I promised you. So we're gonna make this quick. It's nothing much. It's a pretty good room.